me, and today I'm gonna be doing the Hot Cheeto challenge again. And I'm just gonna do it with this little cup or bowl. Here's the cover. It's like a baby toy, but then since I'm in the bed, you can see I'm in the bed, and yeah, I do have pants. But since I'm in the bed, since I'm in the bed, I just have to do it with a cup. So here's Hot Cheeto. You can see, and I'm just gonna Alright, I could cover this. There's the oh no. Oh my god. Subscribe and like. I'm done. And I just need some water if I want. Sometimes it's spicy. Okay. As you can see. Cover it. Let's go. Here it is.